Speed versus sustainability. Kawasaki Ninja H2R versus Zero SR/F. On one side, there's the Zero SR/F, a fully electric motorcycle that's eco-friendly and fuel-efficient. With 110 horsepower and a 200 kilometers range, it represents cutting-edge technology and a sustainable future. On the other side, we have the Kawasaki Ninja H2R, a symbol of speed and power, boasting a 1,000 cubic centimeters engine that delivers 310 horsepower. It's the ultimate choice for speed enthusiasts. Both bikes are exceptional in their own ways, but the choice is yours: speed or sustainability.